Science is real.
What is a measurement? A measurement is a way to answer questions like, how big is that tree? Or, how much does that car weigh? You can measure things such as length, width, weight, liquids, time, and temperature. Today we are going to firstly talk about measuring length and width. To tell how long or wide an object is, we must use this measuring tool, which is called a ruler. With this particular ruler, you can measure up to 12 inches, 30 centimeters, and up to 300 millimeters. For example, here are two cats. By using a ruler, we can measure how long each cat's tail is. Once we measure how long each cat's tail is, we can figure out which one is longer. First, we will measure Tiger's tail. Tiger's tail is 12 inches long, which is 30 centimeters and 300 millimeters. Next, we will measure Simba's tail. Simba's tail is 11 inches, which is 28 centimeters and 280 millimeters. With the help of the ruler, we now know that Tiger's tail is longer. Secondly, we are going to talk about mass. Mass is how much something weighs. To be able to measure how much something weighs, we must use this measuring tool, which is called a scale. When using the scale, we can simply set an object or objects on it, and then the scale will tell us how much the item or items weigh. For example, we are going to find the mass of Hot Wheels cars. We are going to do this by setting them on the scale. This scale can measure in ounces and grams. You can also measure two different cars and see which car weighs more. We will do this with the pink and green cars. The pink car weighs 1 ounce. The green car weighs 1.2 ounces. We now know that the green car weighs more. Now you know the basics of measuring objects in length, width, and mass, which we can use in our everyday lives. Just look at all the things you could measure.